we're in a typical backyard in Bergen County. Uh, this is what we're encountering when our mosquito inspectors go out to areas where people are calling about mosquitoes being a nuisance and biting. We go out and we find people that have this type of things in their yards, artificial vessels that can hold water, and the Asian tiger mosquito is usually in large numbers in these areas because this is the typical habitat that you're going to find Asian tiger mosquitoes in. That being said, that mosquito is actually able to transmit viruses. West Nile is one of them. So we're taking the extra effort here to try to forewarn you that get rid of the standing water. We don't want people getting sick in our county, but it's just a matter of simply getting out. We've had a lot of rain throughout the summer. People have to cooperate, be good stewards of their yard, dump that standing water. You're protecting the health and welfare of your neighbors by doing it. And we need people to get this into their head. I mean, normally people don't think about these things, but mosquitoes will breed in this type of habitat and they can create problems for you, not only on a nuisance level, but they can bring it up to the threshold of presenting disease to people. And certainly if you have somebody in your neighborhood that's got a compromised immune system, is elderly, you don't want to take a chance on getting somebody sick. So let's get out there and let's dump the standing water and work as a community. And I think we can do that together and try to stop some of this virus that we're seeing in mosquitoes in Bergen County.
We're here in the Saddle River Park in Paramus along the Saddle River. This is an area that has a high floodplain, and this is the 5th time that we're in here this year, putting down the product to control the larvae. This is the same product that we use in our aerial efforts also. And we need to keep coming back here because as we just did some testing just before they started putting the application down, the larvae is still here in quite a large number. With the amount of rain that we've had this summer and the heat, so it's rain, heat, that's really what contributed to the massive breakout of the mosquitoes. And while we've been very diligent in our attempts to control it, it's just that the weather hasn't cooperated. So we're now using the resources of the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection. The vehicle is part of the equipment that we get from the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection. The vehicle that you see behind us is an Argo amphibious vehicle that allows us to get into the floodplain water and put the product down through a sprayer. And you can see how labor intensive it is. We have to stop, load it. It takes 2 men, and you can see how long this takes. So that's why having the partnerships with the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection and our other county partners coming here and helping us, this is going to go a long way in helping us be able to start to get a much larger application plan out into the entire county. So again, the biggest thing that I can ask people to do is to dump the water in their backyards. That's really what's causing the large influx of mosquitoes right now. And with the help of the NJDEP and our outreach programs, this is what we're trying to get across to the people, that a little bit of water breeds a lot of mosquitoes. So anything that we can do to help educate people to dump things that contain water will go a long way in helping us control this.